12 notices have been received under Rule 267. The notices of Sri Tiruchi Siva, Sri Santosh Kumar P, Sri Vaiko, Sri P.P. Munir, and Sri P.P. Wilson have demanded discussion over the concerns regarding upcoming delimitation exercise to southern states. The notices of Sri Saket Gokhale, Srimati Sagarika Ghosh, Sri Pramod Tiwari, and Sri Ajay Makan have demanded discussion over the alleged lapse of Election Commission in issuance of multiple duplicate EPIC across the states. The notices of Sri Sanjay Singh demands discussion over the financial loss to small investors due to continued decline of share market in the last 5 months. Sri Ramji Lal Suman wants discussion over the statement made by the US President regarding American funding to increase voter turnout in India. Dr. V. Sivadasan has demanded discussion on the issues faced by ASA, Anganwadi and midday meal workers. Honorable members may recall the detailed rulings of Rule 267 imparted by Honorable Chairman Rajya Sabha on 8th December 2022. Nothing is going on record, please. And 19th December 2022, the same have been reiterated by Honorable Chairman a number of times. Since these, आपने मेरी बात भी पूरी नहीं सुनी, आप सुन नहीं रहे, please, माननीय अजय माकन जी, अब मुझे पढ़ तो लेने दे, please. Since these notices do not conform to the directives imparted by the Honorable Chairman, the same are declined. Matters raised with permission. Dr. V. Sivadasan concerned over rising use of narcotic drugs among the young adults.
Respected Chair.
Yes.
Respected Chair. Thank you.
नहीं, आप EPCI पर जिस पर नोटिस दिए हैं, अगर उस पर बोल रहे हैं तो रिकॉर्ड पे नहीं जाएगा। प्रमोद जी कोई और चीज कहना चाहते हो तो मैं इजाजत दे सकता हूं। आप जानते हैं जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडी है उस पर आप नहीं बोल सकते। नथिंग इज गोइंग ऑन रिकॉर्ड, प्लीज। 0 आवर माननीय मेंबर्स के पावर है, उनके ये सूझ हैं। प्लीज डॉक्टर वी शिवदासन आप बोले, इट इज गोइंग ऑन रिकॉर्ड।
Chair, thank you for giving me this opportunity. I would like to raise the painful situation of the rising influence of narcotic drugs in our country. Day by day, the reports have shown the increasing incidence of the use of narcotics. Sir, the reports from various sources revealed that the majority of the carriers of the narcotics are below 30. Many students and unemployed youth are the victims of the drug mafia. They are trapping them, exploiting their vulnerability. So the usage of synthetic drugs like MDMA is increasing. Generally, we can't recognize that person is using it. Initially, there are no symptoms, but it leads to quick addiction within a short period of time, destroy the person from within. Sir, but it, sir, could you allow to speak?
Please. I'm requesting the members to go back to their seat. You are raising a please continue.
Sir,
please continue.
But it leads to quick addiction, sir. It has very serious health consequences. It leads to behavioral changes. It causes extreme depression, anxiety and aggressiveness. It destroys the physical health also. It causes cardiac shock, brain bleeding, kidney failure, rapid muscle loss, stroke and loss of teeth. Sir, the narcotic mafia have close connection to the political leadership and executives. They are able to influence the judicial system also. In India, only a very small percentage of carriers are arrested by the official agencies like Narcotic Control Bureau. Their relationship between the influential mafia and the political patrons never comes to light. Sir, they are getting political patronage because they have huge amounts of money. Our ports are the main centers of importing the raw material from narcotics. Even 1% is not being arrested. Sir, in some of the ports like Mundra, in Gujarat, the customs officials get only 4 minutes for deciding whether the cargo should be thoroughly checked. Some of the private players thinks there is no checking it with.
It's over. Please go back to your seats. Honorable LOP wants to speak. Please go back to your seats. First go back to your seats.
Sir, I'm thankful to you because you have given me this opportunity to speak regarding particularly that this House do suspend all listed business for the day to discuss the voter ID publication in electoral roll.
Sir, I have already given my ruling. No, it will not go on record. No, सर आप बड़े वरिष्ठ सीनियर रिकॉर्ड पे नहीं जाएगा माननीय एलओपी मैं ऑलरेडी रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ प्लीज एज पर रूल्स आप वरिष्ठ हैं आप सारी चीजें बताते नो आई एम नॉट माननीय प्रमोद तिवारी जी कंसर्न ओवर क्रैशिंग ऑफ इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट एंड इम्पैक्ट ऑन इन्वेस्टर्स मानिए प्लीज आप रूल्स जानते हैं आप जानते हैं प्लीज माननीय प्रमोद तिवारी जी
It's a very burning
please,
issue.
I have already explained the rules.
Then we have to walk out. Sir, the LOP's microphone.
Please,
Sir, the LOP's
Mani Derek ji, I have already explained the rules. Please, Mani Derek ji, please, nothing is going on record. Mani Pramod Tiwari, Srimati J.B. Mathur Hisam, demand for measures to ensure their remuneration and social security to ASA workers to Kerala. Please. Speak on the subject that will go on the record only, please. J.B. Mathur Hisam, please. Dr. Sikandar Kumar, demand for construction of tunnel in Pani Valley of Chamba, Himachal Pradesh.
धन्यवाद सर, आपने बहुत महत्वपूर्ण विषय पर बोलने का अवसर दिया, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत आभार। महोदय, मैं आपके माध्यम से भारत सरकार के ध्यान में हिमाचल प्रदेश के जिला चंबा की अति दुर्गम घाटी पांगी में सुरंग निर्माण करवाने संबंधी विषय लाना चाहता हूं। उपाध्यक्ष महोदय, हिमाचल की भौगोलिक परिस्थितियों से सभी भली-भांति परिचित हैं। आदरणीय अध्यक्ष जी, जिला चंबा की पांगी घाटी का मुख्यालय चंबा है और यहाँ आने जाने में
1 minute. Honorable members, the notices under rules 267 have not been permitted. If the members do so desire, they may submit notices under any other parliamentary device for the consideration of the chairman.